I'm Ezekiel. So I'll be doing a quick review on how I made Narcissi artwork on Photoshop. So this is the actual image of Narcissi, and this is the end product or the end art using Photoshop. So I'll do a quick breakdown on how I made it. So first I chose a green background. Second, I removed the background from the Narcissi image. So I removed the background and I duplicated it and changed the color to yellow. Then I made a multiple of Narcissi and I repeated the same process. I made a multiple and changed the color background to yellow. Okay, so after that I introduced brightness, a little brightness and contrast. So brightness, contrast. Then I chose a gradient color. I chose this gradient color, but you can choose any gradient color you want. I chose this one. Okay. So after that, I added some element to it. First, I did this shape, this love shape, with a pen tool. Then I made a little highlight with the red color on it to make the image blend in well. Then I introduced another image, it's like a fire image. I made a curve out of it to reduce the color brightness. Okay. And I introduced this texture element. They are all texture elements. I introduced to the artwork texture element. I added a parental control. Then I made a text, including my name, artwork name. So I made a text. I made a Narcissi text. This is the actual text. I added a little effect to it. Then I merged the image, and introduced a filter to it. I repeated the same process. So I made the image, introduced a filter. I made the image, introduced a filter, and I added this color lockup, soft warming look. I added it to it, and finally I used camera raw to do the finished status. So this is the actual artwork, the final artwork of Narcissi. Okay, so just comment if you want the full tutorial on how I made this, and I'll try my best to make a tutorial on that. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, do well to do so. Subscribe for me. See you in my next tutorial.